Good afternoon, sir. I am Genesis Gar. This afternoon, I will be reporting our topic, which is entitled The Role of Information Technology in Agriculture. So first, agriculture consists of three sectors, which are the annual production, agriculture and farming, or what we call horticulture. Next one is the agriculture in aquatic fisheries. So now let's proceed to my topic. Agriculture is a major sector which is vital for the survival of a modern man. Plants are the producers in food chain, and without them, the life cycle would just not be possible. So we all know that agriculture is our primary sources of our food. So without them, we cannot survive in this world. So next, we have the impact of IT in agriculture. Agricultural practices and advancement differ globally since plants have their own differences, and the location plays a role in their development as well. So pinagi sa IT or sa atong information technology, nag-improve ang ato ang farming, most especially kanang sa pag-identify nila sa mga needs sa atong tanom, like kanang mga strawberries, kinanglan man na nila mga bugnaw nga area. So ang ginabuhat sa mga farmer, nag-search sila through online using technology para mas mapalambo nila ilang tanom. Next, we have the effects of IT in agriculture. First, improve decision making. By having necessary information, farmers, big and small, can make better and more informed decision concerning their agricultural activities. So, mas na-improve nila lang decision making the way nga mag-research sila o kung sa'y kuha na nga mga plants, kani nga mga tanom. Like for example, kana sa mga vegetables nga lang ginatanom sa kanang mga farmers na kumayan o sa pamala diha, kinahanglan mo nila nindot nga decision making para mulambo ang ilang negosyo. So naga-conduct sila research through online para mas madugagan pa lang knowledge. That would be all, sir. Thank you.